Now today we're going to be talking about copying cells, and when you copy cells, Excel copies the complete cells, not only the data or functions or formulas, but also the formatting of the cells. So here we have a typical spreadsheet, and if I just zoom in maybe to this section over here, you'll see what I mean. So I'm going to right click on the cell, I'm going to say copy, and I'm going to go over here, maybe let's go over to W, and I'm going to right click, and you can see the number of options I have, but I'm just going to choose the first one, and that is just to paste it. Right, you can see the formatting has been kept the same. Let's take S over here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it in this side. Now, do you see what happens? It takes the formatting as well. Let's have a look at this cell. Does this cell have a formula in it? Well, let's check the formula bar. No, it doesn't. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it on this side. Now, here's the tricky bit. When I click on the next cell, do you see that it has a massive formula in it? Okay, so if I right click and I say copy, and I go over to the next cell and I right click and I use the first one, do you see what happens? It's giving me this divide by 0 because it's copying the formatting, the formula, everything over, and it's not quite working out. So let me right click and say, let's use the second one, values. So do you see what it does? It's only, despite the fact that this has a formula in it, it's only going to bring the value over. Now, I can right click over here. Let's just say I take this one and I say copy, right click over here and I say paste special. Now I get a whole dialog box full of things that I can do. And here I can mess around with these options, decide what I want to paste, formulas, values, formats. I can customize this in terms of what I need. But this only comes about when I right click and I actually click on paste special. I can also click on this little arrow to bring up the options here as well. So you can decide what you want to do. Now, if I do want to bring the formula over, you can see I can do that by using this option as well. But guys, that's just the simple way we can copy and paste in Excel.